Back to where we stopped from our previous episode from the introduction, and now we're going to work on some more things now. So we're going to now open. We did a refresh, we did paragraph, and we did the link. So now let's work on the heading. The particular tag called the H, and the H you have, as we see here in the drop down, we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H6. So let's try H1. We'll click on enter, then type what we need. Okay, hello, I am a heading. Okay, and put H1 here, then save it. It now showed there, hello, I am a heading. So show that H1. So let's also try H2. Let's see the function of H2. So go on H2, we'll now type hello, I am a heading, also heading. I'll close it, H2, we'll save it, we'll refresh. Okay, as you can see now, the thing gave, first of all, notice two things. It gave spacing, then we can see here the H1 is bigger, the H2 is bigger. So if we also go down to H3, also H3, hello, I am a heading. Then we'll close it, we'll save our document, then refresh it. Also it gets smaller, so that shows us about heading. So the next thing we're going to now do now, we now know the heading tag, we now know the paragraph, we know the image, we know the A for the link. So now we're going to we'll go to the next thing. We're going to go to list, and in list we have UL, another list, and UL, and if we put here, we also now make the listing LI. Then to be safe, let's close it. Let's close the big one first. We're putting a tag inside a tag, the elements, putting elements inside another element. So now we now have okay, we now have something like this. Tomato. Let's create a list for market for creating stew. Then we'll have pepper. Then we'll have we have our spices. Okay, so we'll close our tag. Before here, we're going to give enter, then make use of the paragraph and say items for preparing red stew, tomato stew. Tomato stew. Okay, now we'll close our paragraph. So we now have items for creating. We'll now save it. I'll now open here, refresh it. Okay, see items for preparing tomato stew. We now had tomato, pepper, spicing. So you see the team made use of bullets, yeah. So you're saying they made use of bullets. So let's also try another thing. So we have another one also called ordered list. That's OL. So let's also, we're still writing the list, items for preparing tomato. So another thing in the list is what we call, let's make use of, okay, list. We have meat. Let's then we'll now have chicken. The chicken, we'll now have the beef. We'll have the beef. Okay, let's save it. Okay, see the thing now, orderly is sitting rotating numbers. So as time goes on, we're going to now touch on the style. We may do it today in this tutorial. So we have seen how the thing delist in case you're writing an item. So the next thing we're going to enter before I start explaining some things to you is what we now have. We have the table, and table has the table tag. Then we'll make use of tags inside elements inside an element. First of all, we have, table is made up of rows and columns. So we have the first row, then we'll close it. Then in rows we'll now have the head, table head. So let's create 3 columns. There are 3 columns, so that means we'll have 3 heads. So table head will now have something like, okay, let's call it name, then score, then we'll now have something like position. Okay, table head. Okay, with that we are through with this first table row. The second row, we now have table row. We'll now close it. We'll now have TD. TD stands for table data, so it's data in the cells. So in my Microsoft Excel I explained it, so click on watch the video in the link. So we have TD, then TD will now have Victor, then his score was, okay, let's close it. We'll have another one, TD, his score, let's say he got 90, which is kind of unfair for the poor guy. So let's give him position second. Yeah, so then we are through with this first row, this second row. So we're going to now have the next row. I also have TD. Will have what's the name, Daniel, which is my name. I have TD also. He got a 98.9. How will I feel since it's me that is working on it? I'm brilliant. So got first, of course. I'm going to close it. So we're going to save it. So we'll now see what we have here. Okay, now see the table heading, we're in a bold form. So the table here, we have on our table. So stay tuned for the next episode where we'll explain putting border, where we'll now enter into styles. So stay tuned to when we're going to do it. We're going to now show you how to put the borders, and we'll also change these things to different alphabets, moving all these things, so our website will start looking fine. Thank you for watching ENlitenThem. See you till next time.